Black holes. They are the most mysterious and powerful objects in the universe, capable of bending space-time and swallowing entire stars. But could we one day use these cosmic giants as a source of energy? In today's video, we explore groundbreaking research that suggests humans might harness the immense power of black holes as a cosmic battery. Black holes are formed from the remnants of massive stars that collapse under their own gravity, creating a region where the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape. Their immense gravity creates an event horizon, a point of no return. Beyond this, nothing, not even radiation, can escape. But what if we could tap into this incredible energy? A recent study conducted by researchers has proposed two fascinating ways to use black holes as cosmic batteries. Let's dive into these mind-bending concepts. The first method involves charging a black hole. Imagine injecting a black hole with massive, electrically charged particles. As these particles are sucked into the black hole, they would eventually create an electric field so strong that it would repel any further charges. When this repulsion equals or exceeds the gravitational pull of the black hole, it would be considered fully charged. At this point, the black hole would act like a giant cosmic battery, storing energy in its electric field. Einstein's famous equation tells us that mass and energy are equivalent. Thus, the mass of the charged particles contributes to the energy stored in the black hole. Researchers calculated that this process could transform about 25% of the input mass into usable energy, making this black hole battery about 250 times more efficient than a nuclear bomb. Now let's talk about extracting that stored energy. The first method involves a process known as superradiance. A rotating black hole's intense gravitational field drags space-time around with it. If gravitational or electromagnetic waves enter this spinning region but don't cross the event horizon, they can be flung back with even more energy than they originally carried. This deflection of waves converts the black hole's rotational energy into usable energy. In theory, this method could help us harness the rotational power of a black hole, giving us access to an almost unlimited energy source. Did you know that a strange blob of gas is circling the supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way, Sagittarius A star, at 30% the speed of light? Every 76 minutes, this blob sends powerful gamma-ray radiation towards Earth. What could be causing these high-energy pulses? Could this reveal new secrets about black holes? If you're intrigued, watch our full video for a deep dive into this cosmic mystery and uncover the science behind these strange phenomena.